Hello. Welcome to our video tutorial on the cat with opcode extender P operation in IBM RPGLE. In this session, we'll explore how cat P concatenates strings and manages padding within RPGLE programs, enhancing flexibility in string manipulation. Cat P is an operation in IBM RPGLE that concatenates two strings while ensuring the result field is padded with blanks on the right-hand side. This operation is particularly useful for combining variable length strings with controlled spacing. Let's dive into an example program to understand how cat and cat with opcode extender P works in different scenarios. Here we have declared three variables. First name, last name, and name are defined to hold strings of specific lengths, initialized with blanks. Then, we have assigned values to the variables. First name is assigned with programmers and last name is assigned with IO. Example 1. First name is concatenated with itself, that is programmers plus programmers, resulting in programmers. Notice the trailing blanks in name. Now, example 2. Cat with position specifier. First name that is programmers is concatenated with last name which is IO starting from position 1, resulting in programmers. Here, the specified position 1 control where last name starts within name. Example 3. Cat with opcode extender P. First name is concatenated with last name that is programmers plus IO, and the result is padded with blanks on the right, resulting in programmers IO. This ensures the total length of name remains consistent 25 characters in this case, with padding applied as necessary. Upon running this program, the output displayed on the console will be, from example 1, it's programmers, from example 2, it's programmers IOmers, and from example 3, it will be programmers IO. In conclusion, the cat P operation in IBM RPGLE provides a flexible way to concatenate strings while managing padding effectively. Whether concatenating strings directly or with specified positions, cat P ensures consistent formatting and alignment, crucial for maintaining data integrity in applications. Thank you for watching our video tutorial on the cat P opcode in IBM RPGLE by programmers.io. We hope you found it informative and useful for your programming tasks. If you have any questions or would like to explore more RPGLE topics, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more IBM programming insights. Happy coding!